How to mix green color for leaves, trees, and grass. Knowing how to mix green color from paints is essential for painting landscapes, botanical illustrations, and even cityscapes. Of course, you can use one of many premixed green colors. For example, sap green, olive green, green earth, chromium oxide green. But you also can mix greens yourself from cadmium yellow lemon, cadmium yellow, cobalt blue, and French ultramarine. Cadmium yellow lemon plus cobalt blue gives clean green. Cadmium yellow plus cobalt blue gives muted green, mossy green. Cadmium yellow plus French ultramarine gives muted green, olive green. Cadmium yellow lemon plus French ultramarine gives muted green, grass green. Plus, you can always use the ArtistAssistApp Color Picker and get step-by-step instructions on how to mix any green color from your reference photo.